Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in alligation and mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a can of 30 liters. A can of 30 liters contains pure milk and 3 liters of milk is drawn out and equal quantity of water is added. Here the question is, after how many such operations the concentration of milk reduces by 27.1%. Friends, the milk left after n operations. The milk left after n such operations is given by this formula. X into 1 minus 5 by x whole power n, where x is the initial quantity of pure milk and y is how many liters of milk is drawn out and replaced by water, and n is how many times such operation is done. See friends, here the initial quantity of milk is 30 liters and 1 minus by 3 liters of milk is drawn. So 3 by initial quantity 30 whole power n. Friends, by doing this we get the quantity of pure milk, left in the can. So it is given that the milk is reduced by 27.1%. Friends, reduced by 27.1% means the remaining quantity is 72.9%. Friends, 72.9% of original quantity 30. See friends, 30 gets cancelled. 3 tens, 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. Friends, 9 by 10 whole power n is equal to 72.9 by 100, that is equal to 729 by 1000, that is equal to 9 by 10 whole power 3. Friends, n is equal to obviously 3. So after 3 such operations, the milk quantity reduces by 27.1%. Thank you friends.